Exactly after a year's launching of Rachel Digital Radio in Bhoi district, the management on Thursday launched the Bhoi TV channel, which is the first television network in the area. The MLA of Nongpoh, MAYRAL SYIEM, launched the TV network in the presence of MDC of Nongpoh and also guest of honor BALAJIED RANEE, the CEO of Bhoi TV, WD MYNSING, members of the management, invitees and family members. The CEO of Bhoi TV, WD MYNSING, while speaking to reporters, informed that the launch of the television network will enable the people of the area to receive updated news items on current affairs, entertainment, performances by local artists, agriculture-related programs and others.
Bhoi TV channel ke chungi kendian aku abani thu bagala don ko bichi sinam e ke GNT jongwe par ke channel ke bingi ai kerteng ka Bhoi radio re hadin ke to ne por ke bingi kendu rengkat bat ke usar jung ka Bhoi district rengkat bat ki rukhmat jung ka Bhoi babun hi kila ajimut ba hagisi ki bamanta kala bahaban le no daga no ke kenja channel ke bodon rengkat bat kadur dan markata ni rengkat bat tim jungi hi berwe nilai lumlang ban nilai syok berkat te gila rai ban persange no ya ka Bhoi radio hagani kasni country turit jubu sumbar arhajar we ban kane ka kasni ke jingdap sisnam pura jong kane ka Bhoi radio hagian ti ke jungka ban nang ne shakmat pat in ron no hagian ti jong ka Bhoi TV ke jungi te ke jimut ka ba khamat ka ba ni don galong ba kumno ban kentiu separang ya gari Bhoi ke juni habba ki paiba jong gari Bhoi kila bani i ya ke channel ya ke jitri kam gi babun jong ka imlak salang apo jong gari Bhoi kamtam ke jing de bat ki kam ki bani habya ka department ba fer jong gari Bhoi dekat badi madam DC dekat bat ki department ba fer la galong ke police department police ke jingko ki jingkhia la galong ha ka pule ke puthi la galong linti singkin la galong umpam umdi la galong ha garap kariang kano ka bani le ke kambat kentiu ke Bhoi ini tre rekat bat department jong ke government